Hello, my name is Antonio Caceres, and I work for the Requity program at San Francisco Rec and Park. Today I'm going to be helping you with your holiday activities. I also have helping me Anjalina, and you'll meet her later. Just a reminder, all the instructions are on our Facebook and Instagram and in the description down below.
These are the activities we will be making today. So the first step is to take all of these little felt pieces out. And you have to look very carefully because there is a little pre-cut hole in the middle that you have to poke out. A pen will help. So for the next part, you want to line it up just like this, and you might have 2 extra. Or you make a small loop at one end of the pipe cleaner. You could take a pen and wrap it around like so. And then the next step is to layer it. Don't layer it as if they're directly on top of each other. You want to layer it in like a zigzag motion. You might want to line it up just like this. Make sure you space it out little, big, and then little again. And then the last step is to loop it one more time. Make sure there's a little hole because you will have a string to put inside the loop. Tie the string just like so. And now you can hang it on your tree. So this is a snowflake activity, and you would ideally like to line up your materials like this. You should have 6 medium-sized beads of one color, 12 medium-sized beads of a different color. You should have 6 small white snowflake beads, and 6 large white snowflake beads. The first step is to take the pipe cleaners, wrap it around like so, and make sure it is all spread out. And you want to make sure it is all spread out to look like a snowflake. For each side, you want to take one of the beads and then a small snowflake bead. So when you are done with one side, you want to make a loop like so to hold it in. Twist and close. This is the finished look. This is the icicle activity, and you would like to line up your beads in a similar size order, but in any way you would like. So the first step is to bend one end of the pipe cleaner like so. And the last step is to add glue along this bead, so that way it can stick. This is what it will look like when it's done. Now we're going to start our gingerbread house, and first you punch everything out. First, you're going to build the house. You need the white and the brown styrofoam pieces. And these two white parts are the roof. Everything you see here is a sticker. You don't have to make it exactly like this video. Get creative and put whatever decorations you want. Don't forget about the chimney. This is how I have decorated my gingerbread house so far.